Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to BBMP. This is Bisibele Maha Prime Time with me, Prasanna. Thank you so much for joining us on this delightful Saturday evening. I hope you're doing well wherever you are. So let's look at some of the headlines. Starting with the headlines, Apple has introduced their brand new iPhone, the iPhone 12. However, people are not very happy with it as the iPhone is not included in the box and can be purchased separately for another $2,000. For some reason, Apple did not think it was required to be shipped along with the box, whatever they said. In other news, with the PUBG ban now nationwide, coaching classes have now seen a record 300% increase in productivity as children keep asking, wait, so where are we going to drop now? And their parents say, quota. And without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get right to the great debate. We're going to introduce our brilliant panelists. Can you please reveal yourselves, panelists? All right, there they are. Thank you so much for joining us, gentlemen. We're just going to have a quick introduction about all our great panelists here. Let's start off with the most prominent member of this panel. He is a 6-time Olympic gold medalist. He is the reason the Second Amendment exists in half the countries in the world. And did you know that the Oscars were actually named after his son? I'm talking about none other than Mr. Venkatadri, sir. How are you doing?
Thank you for having me on this auspicious and esteemed occasion, Prasanna. It is
Thank you
like
so much,
an honor.
Sir.
And I just want to introduce my pet today. The name is Gajendra. He's also very excited for today's show. I just want to let the live audience know that I got this jacket from my son-in-law just to remember my youth days on this live program. Thank you for having me on this session.
Right. Thank you so much, Mr. Venkatadri. You know, I must say that jacket, I know you're 60, but it makes you look like a sweet 16, if I may say so myself. You know, it's a nice jacket. You can tell me about it after. Right. Thank you so much, Mr. Venkatadri. Moving on to our next panelist, just as important on this panel. He has been one of the most decorated scientists of our time. He is the reason dinosaurs existed. And of course, a lot of people might not know, but then the Taylor Swift music video, which Kanye had actually crashed, was written and directed by this man. And his name is the one and only Mr. Dr. Vet.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Dr. Vet.
Next.
Do you have anything to say?
Next.
Okay, man, a few words, I see. All right. And finally, for our last panel member, we have Mr. Sheshadri. Hi. Mr. Sheshadri, you're muted, actually.
Sheshadri, sir.
Oh, sorry, yeah, Mr. Sheshadri, sir. Yeah.
Yes. Prasanna, we saw 4 months back and you forgot who I am.
No, it's nothing like
Don't undercalculate me. Don't undercalculate. I know what's going on. I've been seeing, I've been observing. I'm a bird watcher. I observe everything. You said that Venkatadri is 60 years old, but looking like sweet 16. How can you say that? How can you say that?
It's just a fact, Sheshadri.
He's coming up, putting makeup, and he's showing his cute pet Gajendra for TRP stunts, everything TRP stunts.
I'm sure that wasn't.
See, I don't want to tell the big things on today's show. The audience, there's a live audience and they can decide on their own. I just want to tell that, there are some people are there. They're like very jealous, some trauma they have from their young days of
right.
Unnecessary allegations against me. Unnecessary.
I never said your name.
He's not.
I didn't say your name. Did I say your name?
You are implying. You are metaphering it. You are metaphering it. You are metaphhoring it.
No, you are metaphoring that I am metaphoring. That is not allowed.
Don't inception me. Don't.
Gentlemen, if I may just interrupt your very petty fight. Now that this is a very special episode of BBMP Live, since we're doing this in front of a live audience, we felt that it was appropriate to bring on an expert, an expert of experts. She is well versed in literally everything on the surface of the earth. She has written 6 papers. 4 of them were blank, but they were still accepted in every major conference. And of course, the great continent of Australia was named after her. I'm talking about none other than Miss Shreya Madam. Shreya Madam.
Prasanna, you flatter me. Some of these
Madam.
achievements I achieved in my last life. Tonight,
Madam,
I'm just a regular 20-year-old. Please just treat me like a regular one.
No, madam, these are just facts. This is just scratching the surface for all the great accomplishments you have blessed this earth with. Thank you so much for being here, madam. Thank you so much. If you would just give us a short introduction about the Ms. Venkatadri, before you get to your introduction, Mr. Venkatadri, yes?
Yeah, Shreya madam, don't be so humble on this program. Don't be like, it's okay.
Prasanna, I would like to interrupt. I would like to interject. I would like to interject. I want to tell a personal anecdote. I have a friend.
Okay.
He wears beach hats and sunglasses, and he's married. End of anecdote.
But anyway,
Okay.
yes.
Yes, thank you, Sheshadri, for that. All right, Shreya madam, you have any introduction to say about yourself?
Of course, Prasanna. So, as someone who forgets to wear their iCards at college, I get this question a lot, who are you? And my answer today is the same answer I give them, You already know who it is.
Right. Thank you so much, Shreya madam. Again, thank you so much for being on the show. Of course, ladies and gentlemen, I will remind you once again, the topic for debate is up to you. You can tweet at us using hashtag BBMP Live. And the debate topic will be at the form dash versus dash. All right, so there can be dash versus dash. You can talk about anything. Just tweet to us using hashtag BBMP Live. And right before we begin the actual debate itself, we're going to have a quick break, which might not be so quick if you think about it really. We're going to have a quick word from our sponsors, and then please keep your tweets going on. And again, dash versus dash, and we will see you right after this short break. Thank you.
Have you ever been at the bar and couldn't order some coffee? Or at the beach and couldn't get some coffee there either? Introducing Bro Coffee, the coffee you can drink alone or with your bros. Now you can drink Bro Coffee at the bar, Bro Coffee at the beach, Bro Coffee with Chota Beam, and even Bro Coffee in Russia. Now available for only 49 rupees and for a limited time only. Buy one packet of Bro Coffee and get 2 packets of Bro Coffee for free.
Terms and conditions apply. We are not responsible for any injuries that may occur during or after drinking Bro Coffee.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to BBMP Bisi Bele Maha Primetime Live with me, Prasanna. Thank you so much to our great sponsors as always. Now let's just get into it. Of course, you had to tweet out using hashtag BBMP Live dash versus dash for today's debate. Yes, Mr. Venkatadri.
I don't want to, flex or just compliment myself on this, but handsome person in the ad, that was me, Shreya madam. I just want to let you know. That's it. Thank you.
Prasanna, I would like to interject again. I have another personal anecdote. I have another personal anecdote. I have another.
Yeah. Go ahead. Yes.
Once upon a time, I had a friend called Mr. V, and I know his wife. I know his wife really well. I have her number. I know his wife. End of anecdote.
Thank you, Mr. Sheshadri, of course, contributing a lot to this topic. Now, ladies and gentlemen, dash versus dash for today's topic. I'm just going to go through some of the tweets that we have used that you must tweet out using hashtag BBMP Live dash versus dash. You know what? Let's take, we're going to go with the classic debate, cats versus dogs. All right. I think this is a very, very classic debate. We have a headline for this very debate topic. It's that scientists have concluded cat owners are significantly wiser than dog owners, but dog owners seem to be way more loyal than cat owners. So that is the scientific research that's been going on. So far, all the cat researchers have been scratched nearly to near death. However, the dog owners are still playing fetch right now. So that's the topic for today, cats versus dogs. That's your debate for today. Shreya, madam, would you like to get us started, please?
Of course. Cats versus dogs and endless debates and time immemorial. Even in my past life, I was unable to make both sides see that there is really no point in fighting. Whatever floats your goat, If you are a cat person, if you are somebody who is not afraid of a challenge, go adopt a cat. If you are a dog person who is not afraid of being unconditionally loved and being slobbered to death in the morning, go adopt a little doggy. Do whatever floats your boat. It's all your right. There is no point fighting. The more time we waste fighting, the more animals are waiting to be adopted.
Right. All right. Thank you, Shreya, madam. That is indeed a very tearful statement that you've said, Mr. Venkatadri. Let's start with next. Let's go with you, actually, Mr. Venkatadri. I see you teared up a little bit. What do you have to say about this topic?
I just want to tell that Shreya madam has spoken very wise words today. But apart from that, I have to disagree with you just a little bit, because obviously we know that dogs are better than cats. I mean, but first question that I want to ask everyone is, why are dogs better than cats? I will only answer my question. Listen. Because I can give a very unbiased answer to this, because my pet is neither a cat nor a dog. It is a hypothetical wooden elephant that I call with a real name, Gajendra Rao. I call him like that. So I have an unbiased answer. That's the first point. Second point, dogs, they're cute from day one to day end, whatever that end day is. Till the entire span, they're very cute. They're very adorable. Point number 3, you can make a dog wear a t-shirt. You can make a dog wear socks. You can make a dog wear shirt. It will look very cute. If you want, you can check it on Instagram. Just put #dogs of Instagram and you will get it. But cats, they never wear anything. They're pro-nudists, and I'm against nudists.
Mr. Venkatadri, please. The member of ethical treatment of organizational animals has said that making little pets like dogs and cats wear t-shirts is just a sport that should be stopped. It is not their natural state. And they should be allowed to exist in their natural state.
Who's the head of that organization? Is there the head of that
organization? Of course. Yeah. It is me from my past life.
Right.
I was going to tell #cancel that head, but since it's you, I will not make any such statements.
Thank you.
I still don't understand, Mr. Venkatadri, some of those comments that you're making related to Shreya madam, but I believe that's all in professional interest. So, Mr. Sheshadri, what do you have to say about this beginning debate?
Prasanna, it makes me laugh. It makes me laugh, Prasanna. It makes me laugh out loud. Right. See, people are telling cats and dogs can live in harmony. Like Shreya, she's telling, well, cats and dogs can live together. And if you observed, Venkatadri is agreeing and he disagreeing. He's coming like this, coming like that. This I don't accept. There is only one thing. Cats. Why are cats good? I will tell you why. Cats, there are so many rhymings with cats. So many rhymings. Cats.
Could you please give us an example?
Cats, hats, bats, mats, lads, dads, dads, dads.
I am pretty sure half of those aren't actual words, Mr. Sheshadri.
OAT is also a rhyming. Open air theater, OAT, CAT.
Right. Okay, Mr. Sheshadri made some very interesting points as to why cats are indeed better, because they have a lot of rhyming words, because, dog does not rhyme with so many words such as dog, fog, mog, dog.
Prasanna, I have another one. One. Like a gentleman, I raise my finger. Is Venkatadri using his palm to show his political side? He's doing this. He's doing that.
All right. Okay, Mr. Venkatadri is now pointed his finger. Mr. Venkatadri, what do you have to say?
Yes, said cat, hat, mat. Sheshadri sir, know your age. You are not one hip-hop star who has come to prove himself on this live show.
I write this in Carnatic. Also.
Okay, Mr. Sheshadri, please. Mr. Sheshadri, let Venkatadri speak.
That's the first point. Secondly, what rhymes with cat? my nickname, Venkat. So you are going to disagree with me? I just took your rhyme argument and I twisted it. You see the fallacy? You see the opposite in your argument?
Don't talk about phallus. Don't.
Thirdly, what is the opposite of DOG? It is GOD. That's it. End of statement. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Ms.
On that
Venkat.
note,
Yes,
I just
Shreya
want to
madam.
say,
Yes.
Mr. Sheshadri,
Yes.
you said cats are better. Have you seen the trailer of the musical Cats? It left a lot of people scarred. The musical trailer for the film Dogs, on the other hand, did not leave a lot of people scarred. On that note, you decide.
I listen to only MS Subbulakshmi. I don't know this. I don't know.
All right, Mr. Sheshadri. Yeah, Dr. Vet, I believe you may or may not have something to say. Yes. Right.
We need to.
Thank you, Mr.
That's
Dr. Vet.
problematic.
Okay, you can put that sign down now. Thank you, Dr. Vet, for that
I
valuable
think
input.
he's a veterinarian. And
Yeah,
he's
he
a
has-
doctor.
yeah.
So he's
He has-
mistaking humans and animals and he's
Yeah,
making...
he has vet in the name, so it makes sense. He has doctor and vet. He's used to treating both sides of the coin. Right now, we brought up a very interesting question. Also, ladies and gentlemen, watching this live, you can tweet out your questions using hashtag BBMP Live, and we will ensure that our panelists will review your questions. So again, hashtag BBMP Live, whatever questions you have related to cats versus dogs. So you mentioned, cats being used in words, dogs being used in words, but it is a scientific fact, I can prove this, that the word catastrophe has the word cat in it, but we do not have a dogastrophe. Why is that so, Mr. Sheshadri? Why is that so?
You are bringing unrelated stuff. You have been bought out. You have been bought out, Prasanna. I didn't expect this from you. You have been bought out by the.
I'm stating. I am just simply stating.
Don't try to fool me. I'm not a fool sitting here with 8 MBAs and 5 MSc PGDMs in physics. Don't think I'm a fool.
Right.
I want understand. Cats, what do they like? Milk.
Right.
What do you add milk to? Coffee.
Cornflakes.
Cereal.
Don't bring in Western culture, madam. Don't bring in. Don't bring
Coffee
in
is
Western
not
culture.
Indian culture, Mr. Sheshadri.
Coffee is
It is
from my village.
Persian.
Coffee is from my village in Mandya. Coffee
Yeah,
directly
madam.
comes from my village in
Yeah,
Mandya.
madam, please be very careful before accusing the coffee. It's a very,
Yes, we have seen bloodshed on this show because of coffee.
yeah,
Exactly.
so yeah.
These two gentlemen.
Exactly.
Sheshadri, sorry, you were saying.
Exactly. Do not accuse coffee. I agree. I agree on this point alone with Venkatadri.
Okay.
But I don't agree on anything else.
Right. Mr. Venkatadri, you have something to say about this point?
You said catastrophe has cat. That's there. It answers your question. Cats are like a catastrophe. They're like a wow. They're like that. But what about dogs? In which worlds are they there? I have a grandson, like not my biological grandson, but one guy I met in the park. He's like my grandson.
Right.
He has a small lisp. So he says, "Amma, can I eat a doge?" Like for dosa, he says doge. It's a D-O-G-E.
I'm
So
not
those
sure
say
that's a list.
has
Mr.
dog in it.
Right.
Okay. So what is the taste?
I would like to ask.
I feel that Mr. Venkatadri, I have to disagree. You cannot use your grandson or that guy you met at the park as a
I didn't meet him,
sympathy
madam.
vote.
I didn't meet
You
him.
cannot use him as a sympathy object. Please talk about your own experiences. Don't
Right.
bring that lisp into it.
Right. Thank you, Shreya, madam. I'm going to take a few questions. Before, gentlemen, please, and Shreya, madam. Gentlemen and Shreya, madam, please. I'm going to take a few questions that we have on our Twitter using hashtag BBMP Live. This one comes from Veena. She says, or she asks, cats remain cute from kitten age to old age. What about dogs? Question mark, hashtag BBMP Live. What do you have to say about that, gentlemen and
Simple
Shreya?
question. Simple question. That lady, she has asked a question and answered it. She's done that and done this. I think she's a cat lover. That's why she's smart. A dog lover would have asked, what are dogs? What are cats? Simple sentence construction, simple grammar. As cats, We have hypothetical thinking, logical thinking, extra knowledge thinking.
So is this because of the cats being smarter than dogs, or the cat owners being smarter than dogs?
Of
Are
course.
they related?
I didn't say this. I didn't say this. You said it. Of course.
I am
Mr.
asking you, Mr.
Sheshadri.
Sheshadri. I am asking you, Mr. Sheshadri.
Of course they are. Of course.
Okay, look, Mr. Sheshadri, you are just chasing a red herring. The question wasn't about this smartness at all. The question was about cuteness. And
I don't have red
I can
hair. I don't have.
factually prove that all animals remain cute from birth till the end of their life.
I will ask you a question.
the truth.
I will ask you a question. Does an anaconda look cute?
Yes,
That's
to
another-
anaconda lovers, it looks cute.
Don't bring in unrelated
That song.
topic like anaconda. Anaconda are not cute.
Whoa, whoa. You're being
I've said
very
it on national
specious.
television.
You're being specious, Sheshadri, sir.
I am a species.
You heard it here. One thing, gentlemen, before we continue on whether anacondas do want your buns or not, Mr. Venkatadri, please.
See, I just want to say some divine learnings that I've had in my past life, in
Right.
this life. If you are not cute from the inside, everything outside will also be not cute. But if
Agreed.
you are cute, everything you look at will be cute. It's a saying, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. So much English I'm using. I hope one person understands it. He has a physics degree, it seems. I'm just telling. If you are not cute from inside, obviously nothing will be cute from the outside.
Exactly. Mr. Venkatadri is speaking the language of the gods.
Yes.
Speaking, what is opposite
I
of-
accept.
No.
I suspect foul play. I suspect foul play. They are agreeing with each other. They are agreeing. It feels like they are on a Zoom call before us and come here.
I don't believe that
Zoom
is.
call transfer.
Sheshadri,
Sheshadri,
if you write a test, if you write an exam and your teacher gives you marks, that doesn't mean there is foul play between the teacher and you.
Exactly.
There was foul play between me and Parvati madam. There was foul play. I am agreeing on national television.
I don't believe, Mr. Sheshadri, we try to keep things, professional here. We believe our private lives out of this. I don't think Parvati madam would like to get involved on a debate in a national TV. Another question that comes in, #BBMP Live. Cats were worshipped in ancient times in Egypt, which is the country for Mr. Venkatadri, Mr. Sheshadri, if you did not know. Do we have a dog god? Question mark. Even though dogs spelled backwards is God. I think it's for you, Mr. Venkatadri, because you made this statement. What do you have to say about this?
See, Egypt and all, they're using
He's
cats.
buying time. Look at him. He's buying time nicely.
Sheshadri, please, a technician, can you please mute him? Thank you. Mr. Venkatadri, please.
I like to take my time. I'm not buying time. There's a difference. If you're always in a hurry, that's why your wife keeps complaining all the time. So just know that one. Just what I'm telling is, Egypt is like a Western culture. I mean, it is to our West. How do we call our mothers? We say Amma. There they say Mummy. You see the difference?
Yes.
That's why they're using cats. It's hard to understand them because, if in here we are saying Appa, there they're saying Daddy. It's a difference. Okay. So that's why in mummies and all of that, there they have cats. And if you observe the cats, they're like, the statues are very weird. But dogs, I will tell you where they are gods. Open up your Instagram. Just search dogs, cute puppy eyes. If you don't cry, then right there is God. Thank you.
Mr. Venkatadri, I must correct you on this front. As an expert of Egyptian culture, I must say that their language is actually all hieroglyphics and they talk in symbols. So they don't call each other daddy or mummy, actually.
Oh,
it is very difficult
too much English
to understand
Again,
what
Western
is
culture
happening in their culture. And when we open Instagram, it is true that we get access to all sort of animals. So why don't we use that platform which gives us access to the world's entire species catalog?
Okay, Shreya madam, Shreya madam, I think you're making too much sense. Shreya madam is making too much sense for this panel.
I have a question.
It's Mr. Sheshadri.
I have a question. I know I'm here to make statements, but I have a question.
Yes, Mr. Sheshadri.
At the age of 62, why does Venkatadri need Instagram? Why does he need Instagram?
That is a good
What
question.
is he
Mr.
doing
Venkatadri.
there? Who does he
What-
follow?
Mr. Venkatadri, I
What does he
believe that is-
post?
See,
What does he
Prasanna,
view?
I don't have to answer because you have answered. What did you say in the beginning of the show? 60, but what? Sweet?
Sweet.
Sweet?
Don't
60.
do callbacks. Don't do callback. Don't
I
do.
did say that, Mr. Sheshadri, though.
You
he
are-
is
if you're
using
telling-
facts.
If you're telling he's younger, let me put a logical argument. Look at his face. He has a dadi. Do I have a dadi? I'm a clean shaven. Have you ever seen an infant with a dadi?
I believe
Have you
that's
seen-
called puberty, Mr. Sheshadri. So it does exist.
Don't bring plumbers into this.
If I don't have the Instagram, then how will I wear my jacket and put hashtag Ooty? That's correct, no? Hashtag Ooty.
Yeah, that is.
OOTY.
That is how-
I
yes,
don't know
yes.
why they say Ooty, but I put that.
Okay, gentlemen, I think we are slightly digressing from the topic. We're going to take a last set of final statements from everyone, including you, Dr. Vet. I didn't forget about you. I totally didn't forget about you.
Yes.
Finally, our last question, ladies and gentlemen, again, hashtag BBMP Live if you want to ask a question. Last question is Scooby-Doo, which is a dog, or Garfield, which is a cat. Your closing remarks, gentlemen. We will start with Shreya, madam. Take the time you want. madam. Take
You
the time
have
you
put me in a dilemma.
want. Right.
I can never decide between Scooby-Doo or Garfield. Both of their creators I knew personally in my last life.
Right.
And both of these ideas were obviously stemmed from my brain. So
Of course.
I love both of these ideas equally because they're my brain children.
Right. Of course, you must love all children equally, as long as one is scoring more marks than the other. Thank you, Shreya, madam. I think that's a fair enough argument. Mr. Venkatadri, sir, Scooby-Doo or Garfield?
I just want to help Shreya madam come to a conclusion. Shreya madam, leave Garfield. Come to the cricket field, tennis field, such places. There at least you can do like a good cardio. And to do the cardio, what do you need?
Cardi
Dogs.
B.
No.
Oh,
You
God.
just need dogs. And you know what Scooby-Doo is? It's a Great Dane. And you know what Shreya madam is? She's a Great Dane.
Okay,
So,
gentlemen. Ms.
One
Venkatadri.
second. Hold on. I'm not done yet. Please don't interrupt. Tell us. Learn
Of
that
course,
one.
of course. I'm sorry. Yeah, continue, please.
So yes, all in all, I just want to say, Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? Who let the dogs out? Why are we always looking for dogs? It's a rhetorical question. Think about it, live audience. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Mr.
Please.
Venkatadri. Those are some very eye-opening final remarks. Ms. Sheshadri, Garfield or Scooby-Doo?
I have, before I answer that question, I have personal allegations to make. I have personal allegations
Yes, go ahead,
against
Mr.
Venkatadri. He is
Of
from
course.
that time, he's forgotten about his wife Gajalakshmi. He's forgotten. His pet wooden elephant Gajendra was named after his wife Gajalakshmi. Such a
Right.
sweet woman. I know her personally, his missus. He has a missus and he's looking for a mistress. This is a crime.
Hey, excuse me.
Sheshadri,
That's a very insulting
Control.
term.
Yes,
Control.
yes.
Sheshadri, control.
Let's calm it down there, please. Sheshadri, sir, you don't have to.
Prasanna, I don't know why you
About-
get such people who spew these fake news. They can do real news only.
Yeah.
I will. This is Garfield, Scooby-Doo. I will tell you what is better. Garfield is definitely better because it has the word field in it. What do you do in field? Agriculture.
Right.
Farmers are important. What does Scooby-Doo have? It has do. What do? You do
Agriculture.
something that Bollywood everybody's doing. Don't do that.
What about-
Garfield, follow that. Agriculture.
You can do agriculture as well, Mr. Sheshadri. But I'm not going to argue with you. You've made your point.
You are agriculture. You don't do agriculture. You are.
It is a culture and it is a lifestyle. You heard it here first. Finally, but last but definitely not the least, Mr. Dr. Vet, I didn't forget about you. Garfield or Scooby-Doo?
Brilliant words by him.
Yeah,
Brilliant.
I think that deserves a round of applause. Gentlemen, please, in the chat section, put hashtag clap, clap, clap for Mr. Dr.
Words
Vet.
of wisdom.
Of course.
Words of
always
wisdom.
Inspiring us
Words
with
of
these
wisdom.
words.
He's the
Oh,
only
thank-
person I respect. He's the only person I respect. Words of
Alright.
wisdom from my.
All right,
my
thank
good,
you, Sheshadri,
evening
again
coffee
for
friend.
contributing so much to this conversation. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we come to the end of the great debate with BBMP, Busy Bele Maha Prime Time, with me, Prasanna. Thank you so much. And I usually say a small rhyme at the end of the day. It's roses are red, dogs are brown, but it doesn't matter because my cat's name is Zach Frown. Thank you so much. I know that doesn't make a lot of sense, just like my pets do. However, I love them very, very much. Thank you so much for joining us. And before we roll in the credits, Mr. Venkatadri, please.
On this show, we might look like enemies, but in real life, we don't care about cats. We don't care about dogs. We just care about our laughing club in Lal Bagh Park. We walk and
Exactly.
that's it.
Exactly.